Good morning, everybody. This is Lindy. Um, I decided I really have never touched on what I actually spent when I first started out building my van. So I think after almost a year, I should probably talk about it. So what I did was I went back through my receipts and I just rounded up the numbers on the receipts, and so I will go over it with you. My total that I came up with was now this is without solar, $1,575 to build up my van. So my insulation was the biggest expense I had. I did firewall insulation, which had foam, an inch of foam, and it has that reflective on the back, and you just peeled off the paper and stuck it on. Now, it's been on about a year and no problems. I don't know how good it is. I don't know how good any insulation is in a tin can. That's what this really is, a tin can. So, what can I say? So, then the wood floor was about 170, which my son bought for me, so I didn't actually pay that, but I put that in anyway. I bought some pegboard and some wood. Um, I got 90% of my wood for free from a construction site, my 2x4s and other pieces of wood. But altogether, pegboard and miscellaneous wood for the bed that I purchased was 150. Then I got a refrigerator, it cost around 300. I got a stove, and I put $50. Lighting was about 40 because I got a lot of different lights. Screws, hinges, etc. were about 100 because you got to put those in there too. I got two drapery rods, and they were $40, 20 each, and I added there because they were each about $20. So that should make it $15.95. Then I got plastic drawers, about $70. I got bungee cords. I'm going to say bungee cords, other miscellaneous things with the bungee cords. Some of my bungee cords, the two that don't stretch, were $10 a piece. Anyway, about $75 for bungee cords. And then baskets, to hold things with, which you've seen, um, and bins, things like that. Uh, Approximately $50. So then I had the foam and ended up with this $35 mattress. But the foam with this mattress was about $200. I spent a lot of money on foam, uncomfortable foam, like three different times. And so my total was $1,595. Now, that doesn't include my solar. My solar was a interesting concept, but just for the van build itself, I'm looking at, let's just round it up to $1,600, which to me is not very bad. I used everything from my house, so a lot of things came in here. All the wood shelving um, from the house. I just used a lot of things from my house. If you have dressers or you have things, you can use those, and but you have to attach them to the wall. So you got to have these screws and bolts and these hinges and all this other stuff that's quite expensive. But I just thought I'd let you know how much I spent. And thank you for watching me. And please give me a likes up and camel. I'll see you next time.